I was conscious every time I went to smile about that tooth that had a different color. So I had porcelain caps, and they're not supposed to change colors. Every so often, I would have to go to the dentist because they would change colors because I had to have so many root canals. My name is Gloria Vidal. My favorite activity is fishing, and I love the sun.
Gloria was, she's a professional, but she was more reserved with her smile, and she had concerns.
I bought a hamburger, and when I went to bite in it, guess what? One of the bridge stuck to the hamburger, and I was so embarrassed.
Gloria's ideal outcome was to have non-removable teeth in 24 hours that looked just like her natural looking teeth now. She didn't want anything that looked fake. She didn't want anything too white. She wanted an enhancement.
My biggest fear was the fact that if I would smile, you could tell that I had an implant because of the gum or whatever, that I would have to be very cautious when I smiled so I wouldn't show all my teeth and stuff like that.
One of the things that helped us gain Gloria's trust was our family environment. You see, Dr. Implant, we're not corporate. You don't come in and we don't stick you in a room and no, you meet the actual doctor, and we're a family culture.
Every time I walked into that door, it's like you're going into a family environment. All I could say was it was wonderful and made you feel at home.
We recommended the Dr. Implant Smile in 24 hours to Gloria. The Dr. Implant Smile is a customized smile, and we were able to duplicate her smile with enhancements through digital technology. We did dental implants on her, and in just 24 hours, we were able to give her that smile and give her that security and that confidence that she needed.
They took me in and we started the process, and it was no pain. It was quick. The procedure was very comfortable. After that, in a couple of days, I was smiling again, and it was quick and easy and no pain. When I first saw the smile, even if they were temporary, it was totally different. Now I feel comfortable and I feel confident, and I don't have to be conscious about nothing showing that it's not supposed to.
It looked just like her natural teeth. We're able to do this through digital technology, through facial scans. We designed through ExoCAD, a computer software where we're able to customize a patient's smile.
It's an overall complete overhaul in the life change, because you start noticing that you're doing stuff that you didn't do before. I have full confidence, and it's just happier. I wake up happy and I go to bed happy.
Gloria's a totally different person with the Dr. Implant Smile. She is happier. She's laughing all the time. She says, "Doctor, I feel like a pumpkin," because she's always smiling.
Go ahead, get the implants at Dr. Implant, because it's a 1, 2, 3, feel no pain, and when you come out, it's a success all around. And I love my Dr. Implant Smile. It gives me confidence, and I love it.